Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to fix reflections on glass in Photoshop. Open your photo and zoom into the reflective areas. Then select the clone stamp tool and small softness brush. Hold Alt to sample a clean nearby textures. Paint gently over the reflections highlights. Now work in small strokes to avoid smudging edges. Also adjust flow and opacity to blend new pixels naturally. Clone from different spots to preserve the natural look. For large reflections, use multiple clone layers. Blend carefully around corners or curves for